We now go to Pia Bonalo. She is at an art exhibit at the UP Executive House in Diliman, Quezon City. Good morning, Pia.
Amelin, here in the University of the Philippines in Diliman, there is an art exhibit that captures the strength and beauty of women, aptly called Malakas at Maganda. This exhibit is ongoing, and with me is Miss June Poticar Delisay to tell us all about it. Hi, good morning.
Good morning.
Can you tell me about Malakas at Maganda? Because usually we know this as a Filipino myth, and when you say Malakas at Maganda, you think of the first man and first woman in the Philippines. So this is also the title of your exhibit.
Yes, that's right. This title, Malakas at Maganda, was thought of by our group, the women sisters, the women artists of Kasibulan, and we agreed that this would best represent women, and we want to show the inner strength and beauty of women through our artworks. And so we patterned it after the story of Malakas at Maganda, where you remember the bamboo was split open and came out man and woman, the Malakas at Maganda. And we would like to think that tayo as kababaihan, we possess the same, all these qualities, the malakas at maganda. We are not only beautiful physically, but we are also powerful and strong. So this will show you the power and how we interpreted the power within women and the beauty within each and every woman.
And you could clearly see it in all the different artworks. There are paintings and sculptures. Who are the artists that participated in this exhibit?
There are around, if I'm not mistaken, 25, 35 artists, and that's a lot of, that's a big group. And of course, the officers of Kasibulan, Beng Limpin, Elaine, Meps and Daya, and there they are, and Doris, myself, and Brenda Fajardo, one of the founders, who's CCP Gawad awardee, and there's the family of the Dalena, Julie, Kiri, and Abba. And we have a professor from UP College of Fine Arts, Yasmin Almonte, and young artists as well, like Christine Shoko, and
That's a lot of artists. Did they make their artworks particularly for this exhibit?
oh yes, we prepared months before.
And what was the theme that you're working with? Already you told them that it would be Malakas at Maganda.
You know, we invited one person and who sat down with us, because it's a very it can be very difficult to interpret. You know, it's such a general theme, yung malakas at maganda o women power. So we had one afternoon of session with Miss Ricken, Remy Ricken. And so it was very productive, and after that session with her, we were able to understand deeper how to interpret the theme. So depending on your age and where you're coming from, your experience, then you would be able to interpret that in your own way.
And there is this one that is like a collaboration from all the artists. Can you tell me about this one?
Oh, this is a conceptual art, collaborative art, or an installation art done by the members of Kasibulan. And this was my concept. And the title is Circle of Wishes, Hopes, and Dreams. And in this collaborative art, we wanted to encourage every member to express herself by making these strands. We call these strands. So whatever her hopes, wishes, and dreams, then she could interpret that in her own way using whatever material she has. And so you can see some of us used cut-out papers. So others painted on the plastic, and yes, by Meps Kahipa and Daya, and this was done by, I think, Benay, right? And this is sculptural naman by Christine Shoko. And I hope I remember. And look at this, how pretty. The paper sculpture, it's a paper sculpture.
And then what's quite curious to me also is that you could actually go inside. Is this part of the concept?
That's true. We hang all of this, and we would like to. It's a kind of purging when you sit down and when you make this. It's a kind of purging. So when you sit down and you create these strands, as we call them, you somehow cleanse yourself, enlighten yourself. So because you are able to remove or express things that are difficult to express, and so we are able to express them and to hang them here. And now we come inside the circle, and we this is supposed to be the center of your being, where you find lightness and peace, and then you have this light coming from the ceiling, and then you feel the light, the inner joy supposed to be when you're inside the circle.
I could really feel that right now. You can see. Come, just join me, ma'am. Thank you so much for sharing these profound words to us this morning. For all of you who are interested to see more in this exhibit, please do drop by here in University of the Philippines in Diliman. Jing, Amelin.
Thank you, Pia.